Seriously, Mr. LaRue, isn't there something better than our leading detergent?
Sure, girls. Johnny's got something that'll clean those old stains up just like new.
Fat chance.
What did you say?
Mr. LaRue, can you help?
All right. This time I don't help for nothing, if you know what I mean.
Sure, Mr. LaRue.
Okay, girls, come on over here. Come on, hurry up. Now, the only way to remove tough grease is with grease.
Grease?
Sure, like you fight fire with fire.
Oh, you mean like when I use gum to get gum off my fine furniture?
Yeah, and the only way to cure a hangover is with more booze. Now, dump in those greasy clothes. All right, that's a nasty stain. Give me that. All right, dump them in there. Come on, get them in there. Move it.
Sorry.
And you pour in the grease, just like that. There we go. Pour in the grease. Good. Clothes are up. And then we mambo. Come on, let's mambo. Sometimes it works, and sometimes it doesn't. All right, pay up. Come on, I know what you housewives really want. Come on, I did my part, now you do yours. Come on. Come on, babies.